Hello everyone, so in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you the steps on how to lodge a tourist visa for Australia online. So first thing you need to do is just open your Chrome and then just type EMI account. So in order for you to lodge your visa, you must have your EMI account. Okay, so in here we just need to log in. Just say John Wayne password is, let's say, okay, Delta. Okay, next is just click login. Alright, so just click continue. Alright, so what you're gonna do is just click this new application and then click this visitor and click this visitor visa 600. Okay, so first step, just click this I have read and agree and then just click next. Okay, so second questions, application context. Is the applicant currently outside Australia? Here, let's say yes, you are in the Philippines. Let's say current location is Philippines. And then legal status, citizen. Purpose of stay, let's say tourist stream. So list all reasons for visiting Australia. Just click tourism, or you can click as well family visit. Okay, so tourism and family visit. So give details of any significant date. Let's say you need to be here by May 1, 2, 10, 2021. So is this application being lodged as a part of a group application, or just click no if not? Special category of entry, no. COVID-19 related, no. And just click next. So we are in question number 3. So passport details, let's say family name, Wayne. Given name, John. Male. Date of birth, March, let's say March 11, 1989. So passport number, let's say P11090A. Country of passport, Philippines. Nationality of passport holder, Philippines. Okay, date of issue, let's say March 11, 2017. March, date of expiry, let's say 10 of March 2022. So the place of issuing, let's say DFA NCR Northeast. So national identity card, just click this no. Pacific Australia card, no. Okay, place of birth, let's say Metro Manila. State province, let's say Quezon City, no. Let's say Metropolitan. Okay, country of birth, Philippines. Okay, so relationship status, let's say engaged. Other name spelling, no. Citizenship, is this applicant a citizen of the selected country? Yes. Is this applicant citizen of any other country? No. So previous travel to Australia, let's say this is the first time you are going here in Australia. So just click no. Has this applicant previously applied to visa? Let's say no. Just click this, choose this grant number, no. Other passports or documents for travel, no. Other identity documents, no. So health examination, no. And then just click next. Alright, so we're in question number 4. So you need to confirm that the following information is correct. Family name, okay, right. So is the above information correct? Just click yes and then click next. So in question number 5, it's all about traveling companions. So are there any other persons traveling with the applicant to Australia? Let's say you are travel by yourself. So you just click no and then next. Alright, so in question number 6, contact details, country of residence, usual country of residence, just choose Philippines. Okay. So department office, the applicant may be required to attend an Australian government office for an interview, which is the closest office to the applicant's current location. Okay, so just choose Philippines, Manila. Okay, residential address. So example, country, Philippines, address. Let's say Quezon City. Suburb town, let's say Bagong Buhay. Postal code 1109. Okay, so contact telephone numbers, home phone. Okay, I'm just gonna put my mobile phone, for example. Of course, this is not my mobile phone, the sample mobile phone. Let's say 0907 533 089. So is the postal address the same as the residential address? Let's say yes. Okay, email address genuine89@gmail.com. Okay, just click next. Okay, in page number 7, does the applicant authorize another person? If you don't want, just click no. So electronic communication, just make sure the email here is correct. Okay, if it's correct, just click next. Okay, in page number 8, non-accompanying members of the family unit. So does the applicant have any members of their family unit not traveling to Australia? Let's say your mother. Yes, just click yes. For example, your mom is not able to travel with you, and just click add. Okay, so relationship to the applicant, let's say, just choose parent, family name, Wayne, given name, Anna. Okay, just say 1964, country of birth, Philippines. And just confirm. Okay, and just click next. Okay, so entry to Australia. Proposed period of stay. Does the applicant intend to enter Australia on more than one occasion? If yes, just click yes. And for example, John, choose no. So how long does the applicant plan to stay in Australia? Let's say up to, so the options here is up to 3, 6, 12 months. So let's say up to 3 months only. So planned arrival date. So May 1, 2021 up to May 10, 2021. Okay. So study while in Australia. Will the applicant undertake a course of study in Australia? Let's say no. Relative friends or contacts in Australia. Will the applicant visit any relatives, friends, or contact while in Australia? Let's say yes. For example, John wanted to visit John wanted to visit his fiancée in here. So just click add. Okay, so you need to fill this up. Relationship to the applicant, let's say fiancé. Okay, contact details. Family name, let's say Smith. Jane. For example, her birthday was March 10, 1991. Okay, so just fill the residential address, country Australia address. Let's say 1. Say New South Wales. Suburb town, let's say Albury. State territory, let's say New South Wales. And then the postcode, let's say 3609. So contact telephone numbers, just need to fill this up. Say 04 07 5 66 950. Okay, so electric communication, just type John Wayne @gmail.com. So Australian residency status. So for example, Jane Smith is Australian citizen, and just confirm. And just click next. Alright, so visa applicants current overseas employment. So current employment details, let's say you are employed in the Philippines. So occupation grouping, let's say you are administrative assistant, just click this clerical and administrative workers. Okay, organization, let's say Wayne Electrical Company. Start date with current employer. Okay, so let's say March 11, 2014. So you just give the address of that organization or company. So just click Philippines. Just choose Philippines in here. Okay, so just fill up the address. Let's say 24 Bagong Buhay. Quezon City. State or province, it's NCR, National Capital Region. Okay, so you just filled up this contact telephone numbers. I'm gonna choose this mobile, mobile or cell phone. Let's say 0907 533 009. So electronic communication, John Wayne 89, and then just click next. Okay, next step, we are in here. Okay, financial support. So funding details, just say self-funded. Okay, what funds will the applicant have available to support their stay in Australia? Let's say you have credit cards. I will bring a credit card with a credit limit of $7,000 Australian dollars. Also, I have, let's say, $3,000 in my bank account. And I will attach my bank certificate for your reference. Okay, and then just click next. So we are on page number 15. It's all about health declaration questions. You just need to read it carefully. So in the last 5 years, has any applicant visited or leave? Let's say no. Does any applicant intend to enter a hospital? Just say no. Does applicant intend to work? No, because you aren't allowed to work if you are in tourist visa. Okay, so has any applicant ever had? No. Just read it carefully, okay? And then just click next. Alright, page number 16, character declarations. Has any applicant ever been charged with the offense? No? Okay, no. Okay, so just read it correctly. So I'm gonna choose no, and then just click next. Okay, so page number 17, visa history. Has the applicant held or does the applicant currently hold a visa? Let's say no. Has the applicant ever been in Australia? No. Has the applicant ever had a visa for Australia? No. And then just click next. Alright, so we are on the last page. So there's a declarations in here. You just need to read it carefully, as what I said. And then have you read and understood the information? Just click yes, yes. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, so yes, 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 and then just click next. Alright, so you just need to review. Okay, review everything. And then if you are sure that everything's here is correct, just click next. Okay, so this time you just need to attach the documents needed. In here, you just need to attach your passport, your travel document, your evidence of the applicant's previous travel if there's any. So there's a family register and composition here, evidence of planned tourism activities in Australia. You just attach here your itinerary. And the evidence of financial status and funding for visit, you just attach the bank certificate, the bank statement, the credit cards, everything. The invitation from family, friends, or organization if your fiancé is inviting you to come and visit Australia, just ask her or him an invitation letter and then just attach in here. So evidence of current employment or self-employment, just ask your employer if you can have the certificate of employment. And that's it. And if you're okay with it, if everything is attached, just click next. Okay, so let's say the system wanted us to explain why we haven't attached anything, so just say I will attach it later. So I want to show the page where you can pay. Sorry, letter. It's later, not letter. So just click confirm. Okay, so here you have that transaction reference number, and there's some submit application. This application is now ready to submit. Verify email. Okay, so you just make sure that the email address is correct, because that's the email where they can communicate to you about the result of your visa. So if you're okay with that and you are sure with that, just click submit now. Alright, so last thing is the payment. So it's 145 Australian dollar, and there's a payment option in here as well. So you can pay through PayPal, Union Pay, BPay, and debit or credit card. And then if you have choose, for example, debit card, just click that one and then just fill this up, card holder address, card details, and then submit. So that's all for our tutorial for today, and I hope you've learned something, and thank you so much for watching. And